Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Developer Minded SEO. In today's video, I'm going to answer one of our subscribers' question, how to do some basic things in WordPress, like editing the title, meta tag, and content, H1. So these are the basic beginner level uh, things to do in WordPress. So in this video, I'm going to explain you detail about how to implement meta title and description and editing the content, how to set up the H1 tag and how to set up bullet points. So how to set up image alt tag attribute and how to do internal linking on the WordPress website. So before getting into this video, if you are new to my channel, I'm Ish, search engine marketer, helping small businesses building their website and promoting it to the right people at the right time. So if you are new to this channel, subscribe it. If you want more videos on page speed optimization and technical SEO, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Let's get into the video. In order to edit the WordPress website, there are two options. One is the manual using the classic editor or the blocks or by using the page builder. There are several page builder available in the market such as Elementor, Divi, Beaver Builder and so on. Few of the basic options in the page builder are generally free, and if you want more options to use the page builder and you want to move on to paid version. So basically for in my website I'm using blocks. I didn't used page builder on my website, but I have worked on several client website using the page builder like Divi and Elementor. So what one thing I'm feeling bad on using page builder is it uses, whenever you're using the page builder, there are chances for that to add unwanted CSS and JS files along with your content, along with your page. So it it generally makes the website to bloat. So in my test website, I'm using only blocks. I'm using the GeneratePress WordPress website theme, and I'm using GeneratePress blocks. I'm not using any page builder, but I know how to use the page builder. But in this example video, I'm going to how to you edit the content using blocks. So in order to edit the edit title and description for every pages, we need to use SEO plugins like Yoast, Rank Math, or all-in-one SEO plugin. There are so many plugins available in the market. So I'm using Rank Math, and it is a free plugin, and it has almost covering all the options in the free version, all the SEO options in the free version. So I'm using the Rank Math, but you can either also use without using SEO plugin also you can handle all the SEO works on the website, WordPress website, by manually editing the meta title and description using the function.php file. But what is the disadvantage of using this method is you can only apply to the website, to the home page alone, but you can't individually add every meta title and description for every pages. But if you want, you can add the coding and you can add, but it goes little bit technically. So in order to easy the task, you can use the SEO plugin, any of the SEO plugins, and I will show you how to edit the title and description using the Rank Math plugin in few minutes later on this video. So we are going to see how to edit the header, image alt attribute, and internal linking. So let's move on to the demo part. So this is my WordPress website. I'm using Generate Press Blocks and Rank Math SEO plugin. So basically, this is my setup, and here you can add the title of the page. So this impacts the meta title which you found on the Google SERP. So here you can find the title of the page, and you can add the description. This is my meta description and this is my title. And if you are using Yoast, you can find the same thing in under the Yoast option, and whatever plugin you are using, you can find it easily under the same page itself. So we have edited our meta title and description. So as I'm using blogs, uh, I can select what type of blog I want, and I can edit the content like this. And next we can see how we can add the bullet points. So basically, if you want to add the bullet list, you can to go and list. So here you can add what are the content which to be written on the bullet list. So here you can see the, and now we're going to set up the H1 header. So I'm going to add header. So headline, so whenever you are adding headers, it is easy for search engines to understand what you are talking about, and it as well as it is easy for your readers to easily digest your content. So always go for headers, and divide your content into chunks, and make use of subtopics, so this can be easily read by the human. And one thing I want to mention is, make sure to add only one H1 header on your page. So this tells the search engines what the page is about. And following the H1 tag, you can add the H2 or H3, H4, anything as a subtopics, but only uh, one H1 header is a best thing, but it is not an exact rule to follow, but it is a good option to follow. So if you want to move the block, I can make it to move up. So if I want to add the image, I can select and I can add the image block. So I'm going to add it from my library. So here I want to set up the image alt attribute. if you click on the image, and you can set up the image alt attribute. So you want to check what block is selected, and appropriate property of the block is listed on the right hand side. So at here it is the image settings and alt text. So we are describing the image. So I have created this image for showing the click through action example. So I'm giving the alt text as click through action CTA example. So if anyone's searching for images like click through action example, then my image is, chances are there my image to be listed on image search. So this is the main purpose of the image alt attribute. So don't miss the opportunity to use the alt text, and as well as this helps the search engines to understand what the image is about. So use the images whenever it is relevant to your content. So then we are going to think about the internal linking. So I'm going to add the internal link, structure, website architecture. So here is the link. You can give whatever the URL you can uh, link to. So here I am adding outbound links, which is from the authoritative website Google. So you can even add any relevant link within your website. I think it gives additional information for the visitors who are checking this website blog. So if you want, you can add. Now at present, I know in my website there is no articles related to website architecture, so I have given the outbound link to Google. So if you have any relevant articles that you wish, you can go link to your one of any of our existing content. You can give your own website link as an internal link. And that's it from today's video. I think you find useful information from this video, and if you find it useful, hit the like button, and you can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And next video I'm going to tell you what are the important plugins to be used on the WordPress website and what to be avoided in the next video. So see you on next video. Until then, this is Ish.